IZ Corp Radio, 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 IZ Corp Radio. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, it's Mr. IBO Richards, aka Investor One, and this is a Smart Investor Society show, and you're listening to IZ Izcorpexchange Radio. Oh, wow, there was an advertisement that didn't come through. It's Sauces Restaurants. 2 locations coming in Miami in 2017, 2018. The best seafood restaurant in the world. Sauces. Founded by Mr. IBO Richards. Seafood, takeout, salad, the best dining experience you could imagine. And we host and cater parties. Sauces. Again, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mr. IBO Richards, aka Investor One, and this is a Smart Investor Society broadcast, and you're listening to IZ Izcorpexchange Radio. The first thing I have to do, I have some very, very good news. For the annual subscription to Smart Investor Society, it is now $50,000 per year and $25,000 per quarter. So if you want to just go 1 quarter or 4 months, because you get 1 month free, you would pay $25,000. But the annual subscription is $50,000. So let's get right into it. We're still doing a portfolio build, but before we do that, we want to just look at the stock market in general, while we focus around the economy. And we were looking at first is Charter. I forget which one, Charter Communications. Now that stock has just been on a blast. Check it out. I'm thinking about putting it on the thing. Oh, we're not picking a stock today. Not today. But I was looking at Charter. The other thing that came to my attention this week was the Uber. Uber is all in the headlines, and what they've come up with is, I don't know if it's competition, but the way the Uber and the Lyft and these companies are just moving in, and I don't know, I'll just put a question out there. What do you think about Uber? And get back to me on that. And soon we'll have phone lines open. We'll be doing phone lines too. So get back to me on that Uber thing, because I think it's just great for the economy and the stock markets in general, because it creates jobs. And I studied the service, and the service is pretty good. It's pretty good. So we were looking at that. The other thing is the trade of the day, the trade rule of the day. Again, don't trade with money that you can't afford. If you can't afford it, you just can't afford it. That's just the bottom line. If I need my money to pay my light bill or to pay the IRS, I'm not going to trade with it, because then it becomes it's like a gamble. And one thing I want to make clear to you guys is trading investments is not gambling. It's not betting. It's 2 different worlds. It's 2 different whole entities. Yes, they take on the same form, but again, trading is all physical. It's all mental. And gambling is not a healthy thing. You know what I'm saying? Gambling is an addiction. You can have a passion for the investment world. The investment world is pretty much legal across the board. The people you deal with in the gambling world are, I don't even want to go into it, and I don't want to have anybody start to speculate. So again, keep in mind, trading and investing and gambling are 2 different beasts. Again, my name is Mr. IBO Richards, and you have been listening to Smart Investor Society. IBO Richards, aka Investor One, and you're listening to IZ Izcorpexchange Radio. And don't forget to sign up for your subscription. We have enrollment now, $50,000 per year and $25,000 per quarter, and that is a deal that you can't beat. We argued in the room, boy, we stuck in there. It was like a jury deliberation, and we came up with the best solution for everybody. And it's if you pay your $50,000 annually, and you're locked in. And the reason being, just so you know, is because this market is so vast. The economy is growing at such an alarming rate with the emerging markets. I mean, the opportunities are endless. You can get $50,000 is like a drop in the bucket for what you would, if you're serious about this, that would be a drop in the bucket, because you'd probably make that in 6 months. So again, my name is Mr. Ibo Richards, aka Investor One. Thank you for listening to Smart Investor Society on Izcorpexchange Radio. Thank you, and have a great day.